cake will make the swelling go down.
You got cake, Max? Cake?
Is it good, Maxwell? Is the cake good?
I'll show you afterwards.
Here. Some more?
Cake. Ooh, you got more cake? Ooh, that's a big piece of cake. Is that a hole in the cake? Uh-oh, Miles is going to eat your cake. Cake? Uh-oh. Better eat your cake before your little brother steals it.
Cake? Can Miles have some? That's good.
Thanks for sharing, Max. You're good, big brother.